I have this old Stanley box I got in 2006 or 7, something like that, and it's pretty worn. I want to try to refurbish it or possibly restore it. Same colors. Gloss black won't be hard, but it has the non-ball bearing, pretty difficult sliders, so I figured out how to take them out. Get yourself a decently strung precision screwdriver, shove it in this hole, because let me see if you can see in there, that's the stopper. See that piece that just came back? It's stopped by that. There's no lever like on the Harbor Freight box right here. No lever to do it. Anything like that. Hey, where's the lever on this thing? Oh, there it is. No lever. Remove the slider. So, all you do is bring it out until the stopper is there. Shove a small screwdriver in there. Just work it out. It'll come out. It's out already. Yep, it's out already. So there's where it stops in there. It has 3 drawers, which I like. For a while this was my go-to toolbox, until I got bigger and better things, and it is rusted out inside. Anyway, oh yeah, when you put it back on, the easiest way I found is just pop it in. There it is. If you look in there, it's rusted out all at the bottom. So, I'm thinking I'll take it apart, and I shall restore it. Take these off, take the rust off, so that chrome spray paint, that's pretty good. Redo them, re-rivet them back on. Re-chrome these. They come right off. Not much. Oops. Not much to take them off. I just had this one off. Come on. Oh, there we go. It's starting to go. Anyway. Yeah. Get my hands on some gloss black spray paint. That chrome spray. See how it turns out. I'd like to restore it. Like this one. Anyway. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all that jazz. And bonus, this Harbor Freight box. I just noticed this. Unlock it. If you lock it with the drawer open, I don't know. Maybe it's common in these, I don't know. Let me know in the comment section. Close it, automatically locks. I just noticed it. I thought you had to have it unlocked, close the drawer, and then lock it. That's a cool little feature. Probably the higher end boxes have that. Oh well. Anyway, thanks. Like, subscribe, all that jazz.